Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll be discussing Battle of Buxar. This battle was fought on 22nd October 1764. Buxar is a place in Bihar. You should remember Buxar is a place in Bihar. In this place, two important wars two important wars were fought. One is Battle of Buxar in 1764 and you should remember Battle of Chausa. Battle of Chausa in 1539, right? So anyway, this is the strategic point. So you should remember Battle of Buxar was fought in Bihar. You see, actually it was fought between East India Company and combined armies of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam and Sujawdullah. Let me explain. Combined armies of three kings. You should remember. One is Mir Qasim, who was king of Bengal, right? King of Bengal, you should remember. And second is your Shah Alam, Mughal king. And thirdly, Sujawdullah from Awadh. Right? So, Mir Qasim, Shah Alam and Sujawdullah fought against East India Company. And East India Company was represented by Hector Munro. Right? From East India side, Hector Munro, and from this side, combined armies of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam, and Sijawdullah. Okay, they fought against each other in 1764, and these combined armies were defeated by East India Company, British East India Company. Right? What was the result? Result was East India Company victorious, right? Victory. And after this war, after this battle, there was a treaty called Treaty of Allahabad. You should remember Treaty of Allahabad. Treaty of Allahabad was signed on 12th August 1765. It was signed between you can say Shah Alam and Robert Clive, right? Shah Alam and Robert Clive. Actually, during this battle, Robert Clive was not in India. He was in London, right? He came just after the war, and this Treaty of Allahabad was signed. Treaty of Allahabad was signed between Shah Alam, who was Mughal king. Right? This is the point you should remember. Let me explain again. First thing is that you should remember this Battle of Buxar was fought in Buxar, which is in Bihar. It was fought in 1764 between East India Company, commanded by Hector Munro, and combined armies of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam and Sijawdullah. And result was East India Company victory. And after this battle, Treaty of Allahabad was signed on 12th August 1765, right? And after this battle, East India Company became, you can say, captured many parts of India. Because you have to understand, let me draw one picture here. India map. I am trying to draw, right? Just see. Suppose this is India, for example. For just explanation, this was your Awadh. But this was your Buxar, right? This is the place called Buxar. Here it was Buxar, and this is Bengal. This is Bengal, right? Actually, Bengal, Buxar was part of Bengal. Now it is separated. So this is Bengal, this is your Mughal from North India, and here is one part called Awadh. So just imagine, after this victory, total India, most part of the India were under British. Right? These are the things you have to remember for exam point of view. I hope you got this point. Wish you happy learning. Thank you very much.